If you're not evolving, you're doing something wrong.
It's another day on the grind, y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir. Back at it again with another video for the YouTube channel. Keeping my foot on the gas. Stay very, very consistent. And of course, most importantly, enjoying the process. Now, today's video, it's another day on the Uber Eats grind. Shout outs to everybody that joined the live stream yesterday. That was one of my best live streams that I've had on YouTube yet. And also too, I got to show y'all a clip from Wall Street Trapper. I watched his video yesterday on Trapping Tuesdays, and he gave me a shout out, bruh.
Good. Paris Jackson was good. TC Talks, TC Fitness was good. Black Phoenix was good. Ball Gang ENT.
Like, y'all know how he usually does shout outs before the show starts. So people be writing in the comment section and he be shouting people out. So he gave me a shout out and I was like, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna go down to, well, we're gonna start off in the Bronx first, not downtown. We're gonna start off in the Bronx. We're gonna do Breakfast Rush, or we may start off in Harlem, either or. We're gonna do Breakfast Rush, and I'm gonna bring y'all along the Lunch Rush so that you guys can see. And yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this camera is clear. So I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. Real talk. Shout out to the SR community. Shout out to the NoFap community. All right, and everybody that's been on their journey. If you're new to the channel and you want to help me expand the channel, all you gotta do is subscribe. Give today's video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. All right. I already did 2 deliveries. I did 2 Starbucks drop-offs. So I'll show the payout here. And besides that, we're gonna have a great day today. So like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Terrence Carter. TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir. So I just made it to Harlem. And as soon as I crossed the bridge, bro, they sent me one back in the Bronx. So you know we got like the bridge right there. So like you go across the bridge, you're back in Bronx, you come across, you come this way, you go in Harlem, whatever. So I'm about to go back across the bridge and go pick up the order from McDonald's and drop that off. So that's gonna be super fast, get them away. That'll be number 3 on the day so far. So once I get to McDonald's, I'll let y'all know. So I just finished that drop off, and now I'm about to go right back to Harlem. So once I get my next delivery of the day, yeah, I already know. I'm gonna let y'all know. So about to go pick up a McDonald's order. Pickup location is right up the block from where I'm at, and then the drop off is a couple blocks away. The customer only got 2 items, so like literally, they got like 2 sausage biscuits. So I'm about to go do this pickup very quick, and I see you after I'm finished. So I just got another double that they just sent, picking up from some restaurant I'd never picked up from before ever. So the drop-off location is not that far from the pickup. So I'm on my way now to go and pick it up. Get these 2 out the way. Keep pushing, just keep going. See y'all when I get there. Just made it to the pickup. About to go pick up these 2 deliveries now. Look at this, that's crazy. No cash accepted. Yeah. Times that we living in. It's time to go drop these 2 deliveries off. Got them right here. It's both from the same person too. That's a crazy part. So after I complete these 2, that's gonna be 6 deliveries completed on the day so far. So I'm close to the drop-off location. I just wanted to show y'all too, like, how much I'm down in my portfolio right now. Today is a red day, aka discount day. So I'm gonna let y'all see how much I'm down so that y'all can always understand that in the stock market, it's not always gonna be green days. You're gonna have your red days, but those are the days where you make the most money because you are getting stocks at a discounted price. And when you learn how to like train your psychology in the stock market, you start looking forward to the red days. So, for me, but besides that, after I get my next delivery, I'll make sure I let y'all know. So I just got another delivery sent to me, picking up from Staples, and then the drop off, I gotta come right back to the east side. So about to go do this pickup now, get this one out the way. The customer only got 2 items. So say it's easy money out here, man. Let's go, turn me up, universe. But about to go pick this up, get this one out the way, and I'll see y'all once I get to Staples. Just made it to Staples. It's time to go and get these 2 items right quick. Get this out the way. Y'all see it, Amazon. So I'm on my way to go drop off number 7, and they just sent me another shopping pay order picking up from the supermarket. Customer got 3 items, so I put that one out the way. The drop off for that is just a couple blocks away. So let's go, man. And then in the next like hour, give or take, it'll be lunch rush time. I just finished getting those items for the customer. Now it's time to go drop this off. And after I finish this one, that's gonna be 8 on the day so far. And it just sent me number 9 too. So after I drop this off, I'm gonna go to Jimbo's and do that pickup. And then that drop off is literally 2 blocks away from the pickup. So, or 2 avenues, whatever. Let's go, man. Let's keep it up. Let's keep up the positive momentum. Alright, so just picked up from Jimbo's. And now it is time for me to go and drop this food off. Let's go. So I just dropped off that 9th delivery of the day, and I'm going right back to Food Bazaar to go do another shopping pay order. The customer literally got 2 items, so get this one done. And after that, that'll be 10 on the day, and then it is finally lunch rush time. So today's breakfast rush early start was much better today. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, y'all, so I just got those 2 items. They literally got 2 things of forks. So 2 packs of forks. So I'm about to go drop that off. Like I said, that's gonna be 10 on the day. And then lunch rush is here. So let's go, let's keep going. So I'm close to the drop-off location. I'm gonna put y'all onto a song that I was just listening to. It's called "We Pray" by Coldplay, Little Sims, and Burna Boy. I don't know if y'all ever heard of Little Sims, but her music is fire. I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. Her music is fire. But yeah, I was just listening to the song, and I might do a YouTube short to that song too, because it's very powerful. So I gotta put y'all on. It's only right. But it's up to y'all if y'all want to listen to it. Alright, so just got that 10th delivery dropped off. And now, I'm gonna wait for some more. Hold on, man. Yeah, I can see the hot cold bag. I see it. We out here. Hey, hold on. Now, we just got that 10th delivery dropped off. Now it's time for me to cook up lunch rush. Let's go. So they just sent me number 11 on the day. Y'all gotta guess the pickup location. Picking up from Chicken Filet. Chick-fil-A. That drop off is like 9 blocks from the pickup location. So about to head over there now, get this food picked up, and I will see y'all once I get to Chick-fil-A. Yeah. Alright, so I just made it to Chick-fil-A, got the food picked up, and now it's time to get the food dropped off, y'all. Let's go. How y'all feel about these kicks? Right? Got number 11 dropped off, and I feel good. I ain't go for it, because Breakfast Rush definitely was clutch. So once I get the 12th delivery sent to me, I'll make sure I let y'all know. Yeah, so I just took me like a little 5-minute break, and they just sent me another one. The only reason why I accepted it is because I'm literally right next to the store. So I'm gonna do this one, get this one out the way. That'll be 12 on a day, and then that'll probably be the video. You know, I may see y'all for Dinner Rush, but if anything, I'll let y'all know after I do this drop off. Yeah, so I just picked up the food, got it right here, and now it's time to go drop it off. I'm thinking about doing another live stream tonight so that I could live stream the Dinner Rush again, because yesterday was great. So I want to be able to capitalize off of that. But once I drop off this delivery, I will keep y'all updated. Alright, so I'm close to the drop off location for number 12, and it just sent me another one. Picking up from literally where I'm at. I just gotta drop this one off first, and then the drop off is right down the block. So that'll be 13 on the day after I complete that one. I gotta keep pushing, man. I gotta keep going. Yeah, so I just finished dropping off that 13th delivery, and they just sent me another one, picking up from the same Chinese restaurant. But what I'm gonna do is end the video here. I'm gonna stay out here, do some more deliveries, and then I gotta try to get scheduled for the Dinner Rush. So I want to say thank you to anybody that stayed throughout the whole entire video, or if you even watched some of it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so that y'all help me expand the channel. Give today's video a thumbs up so that we can stay on the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment below. And once again, I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. This is just a raw, real day in the life of me doing the Uber Eats grind, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.